Okay, so this is just going to be a quick video showcasing my game. So yeah, I made it with Unity using C#, and this is still very much in an early prototyping stage, so what you are going to see is going to reflect that. So anyways, so you can see I have a nice title screen here. We got a couple options here: new game, load game. Load game doesn't do anything right now. So you press new game, then you see this is sort of the incremental game, part of the game, or some people call it like a clicker game. Uh, I can move my little ball of lightning character around here. That's not really important for this part of the game, but anyways, you can click this push-up button to do a push-up, and you can see when I do that, it increases my max bench press. An idea here is that eventually I'll be able to buy different exercise equipment or learn different exercises that will allow me to click different buttons that will let the max bench press, max squat, or max deadlift all increase. But anyways, so that's that. You can click the shop button here and then click on a category. Right now the only category is consumables, so we can click on that and you can see there's several different options. A lot of them are just placeholders, that's why it just says insert item description here, but the first one is a protein shake, which I need to expand that button a little bit because that's hard to read, but you can see it costs 2 gold and has a description: drink this delicious protein shake during battle to gain 1,000 calories. You can only hold one at a time. So yeah, so there's that. You can say click to buy, and then it gives a message you don't have enough gold, because right now we just started a new game and we have no gold, so we don't have enough to buy that. So how do you get gold? Okay, so let's click the enter the dungeon button. So now I am in the dungeon, and this is sort of the roguelike part of the game. You can see up in the top left we have the current floor is 1. If I go here in this little white square, that's going to take me to the next floor, which now you can see it says current floor 2. These red squares here are just walls, and the squares, white squares with the letter E on them, are enemies, E for enemy. And I'll just go ahead and run into one so you can check out the battle system. No, it's getting away from me. Okay, so here's the battle system. I only have one ability right now called Weak Punch, and the plan for how to unlock abilities is to increase your different lifts. So at a max bench press of 1, you unlock Weak Punch. That's why it's already unlocked. Then maybe I'll unlock something called Strong Punch after have a max bench press of 100 pounds or something like that. So you get the idea. Anyway, so you can see I have my character's HP at 20 here. The enemy's HP is at 12. So I'll go ahead and choose Weak Punch. So you can see that I attack the alien goo for 2 points of damage. This enemy, of course, is called the alien goo. And he attempted to attack me but missed, and the message for this enemy is that the alien goo is lollygagging around. So yeah, so go ahead and attack more. I can go ahead and show you the flee battle button as well, I guess. So I'll go ahead and click that, and it didn't work. So you get a message that says I attempted to flee, too bad it didn't work. And in doing that, the enemy attacked me. Try to flee again. Didn't work again. Didn't work again. I might get a game over here. Okay, so I got a game over. I'm trying to flee. So we'll go back into it real quick. Alright, so let's just go straight away into the dungeon. And let's just try to kill this enemy. Okay, so I killed it, so it says you have vanquished the alien goo. Now I can click this button that says proceed, and it'll say you gained 2 gold pieces, and that number, I got 2 for this one, but it could be anywhere from 0 to 4 or 5 maybe. I think that is how I have it programmed. Click proceed again and it'll exit the battle. So since I now have 2 gold, that's enough to buy the protein shake, so I'm going to go ahead and return to the home gym. Now that I'm here, I'm going to go to the shop, consumables. We've got protein shake selected. I will click to buy, and it says enjoy your purchase. Okay, so let's go back into the dungeon. I can show you how the protein shake works now. So in the inspector over here, you can see that my player calories, if you see my cursor, I have 1,200 right now. that weak punch ability costs 200 calories to use. You'll see that when I use it a couple times. See, now it's 1,000, now it's 800. Okay, so I'll go ahead and kill that enemy. We'll fight another one. So you see, now it's running low, so I can have a new option here, use item, since I have the protein shake. So I'll go ahead and use that. So it says you drank a protein shake. Man, that really hit the spot. You gained 1,000 calories. And so now you can see over here that my calories did increase by 1,000. So I have the ability to use this weak punch more. And I'm going to go ahead and up my character's HP a little bit just by changing it in the inspector there, just so I can fight a little more, because I just want to show there is a message when you don't have enough calories to attack. So now we only have 150 calories. The attack costs 200. So when I click that, you'll see low calorie warning. You need to eat more to use this ability. And I don't have a protein shake, so there's pretty much nothing I can do at this point except flee and return to the home gym. So that's pretty much what I've got so far. If you read in the September 2016 productivity report, you can see that what my plans are for the future of this game. I don't really hope to do a whole lot with it. It's just pretty much going to stay mostly in the prototype stage. I will add some better graphics and make things look a little neater on the screen, because right now it is, like I said, very much just a prototype. So yeah, thanks for watching.